How to fix the Swann Security application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Swann Security application is not working, here are some troubleshoots that you can apply. To get started with, open Play Store if you are using an Android. Search for Swann Security app and tap on the application from the list. Now, instead of open if update is available, make sure to tap on it. It will then start installing the latest version. Once this is done, let's move on to the next troubleshooting step. For this, you will have to go back to the home page again and then long press your Swann Security application. It will open a dialog box. Tap on App Info. From the App Info option, first of all tap on Permissions and make sure all the necessary permissions has been allowed. Make sure that you have given permission to camera, microphone, nearby devices, photos and videos, and phone number. After that, go back and tap on Storage and Cache. Make sure to tap on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. However, Clear Storage will delete all the files and storage details, so this might have to be logged in again. Likewise, now move on to the next step. For this, what you have to do is check for the system update. For that, click on the settings on your Android device and then tap on System Update. Make sure that you have the latest version installed and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.